Hello students, good morning. This is a science class for the class 10th chapters. First, chemical reaction and chemical equation. Part first, here is the some examples we have to take in our daily life. What are these? Milk left in temperature change into curd. Milk left in temperature changes into curd. जो दूध है अगर उसको अधिक तापमान पे रखा जाता है मीन्स ऐसी नॉर्मली हिट करने के लिए नहीं तो वो कर्ड में चेंज हो जाता है. सेकंड, आयरन आइटम्स गेट रस्ट इन मॉइस्चर. आयरन की जो आइटम्स है वो मॉइस्चर लगने पर उसमें जंग लग जाता है. थर्ड, ग्रेप्स गेट फर्मेंटेड. जो ग्रेप्स हैं अंगूर है वो फर्मेंटेड हो जाते हैं और जब उनको डिस्टिलाइजेशन किया जाता है तो अल्कोहल बनता है. और जो ग्रेप्स फोर्थ, कुकिंग ऑफ फूड एज अ काइंड ऑफ चेंज इन द सब्सटेंसेस. फिफ्थ, eaten food digested in our body. And sixth, respiration. Okay, so at the first all those changes takes place and the substances and due to some conditions. Here is the two kinds of the changes: physical change and chemical change. So changes are two kind. Physical means they are reversible. Physical change means change in the shape, size and texture of the any kind of the substance, just like the iron can be turned into sheet, wire, okay, and then lump and anything else. But chemical change, the milk left in temperature changes into curd, but curd not a reversible situation turns into milk. जो फिजिकल, एक तो भौतिक परिवर्तन होते हैं, रासायनिक परिवर्तन होते हैं. भौतिक परिवर्तन जो होते हैं उन्हें वापस से वो रीगेन कर लेते हैं अपनी पोजीशन को, अपना शेप साइज़ और आकार को. और केमिकल चेंजेस में बड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि आप किसी भी चीज़ को अगर वो रासायनिक रूप से परिवर्तन हो गया तो वापस से उसको उसी स्थिति में ले आए. जैसे अगर इफ़ यू बर्न द पेपर, अगर आपने कागज़ को जला दिया है तो वो वापस से कागज़ नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, तो ये केमिकल चेंजेस. केमिकल चेंजेस जो है वही टूवर्ड्स द केमिकल रिएक्शन, क्योंकि व्हेन द केमिकल चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस देयर इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज ऑक्योर्ड. So these are the changes. Here is the chemical reaction. So what is called the chemical reaction? A plus B. A is a reactant and B is also a reactant. So the left side of the chemical reaction, so in this way A plus B tends to C plus D. So A and B are the reactants. Means during the chemical reactions both of the substances they are called the reactants. Reactants take part in the chemical reaction, okay, and the product C and D are the product. When the chemical A and B react each other, they form the new substance C and D. So these are called the product of the chemical reaction. Okay, so here is the example of the Na plus Cl. Na plus HCl, here is the sodium plus hydrochloric acid react with each other. You know very well about that. You have read in your previous 7th or 8th class the metals react with acid when you read the acid and bases. Okay, so sodium is a base and the HCl is a acid. So sodium plus HCl, so what will happen then? How did the reaction takes place? Na react with the chlorine. The molecule of Na, atom of Na or sodium combine with the atom of chlorine from the hydrochloric acid and form the NaCl, the common salt, sodium chloride. And in this equation, in this reaction, the hydrogen evolved. How hydrogen evolved? When the acid react with any metal, the hydrogen is evolved. Okay, so here is the Na plus HCl, NaCl plus H. Okay, but here is the if what is the chemical reaction, and that is called the chemical equation. A plus B tends to C plus D is called a standard chemical equation. Here is the 2 Na plus HCl, 2 Na plus 2 HCl, 2 NaCl plus H2 is also called the chemical equation. Both of the side of the chemical equation as the number of molecules, number of atoms will be same. Okay, so there is no change in the in another word I can say that the chemical reaction is conservative. Okay, neither lost nor created, only transformation from one substance to another substance. So here is the, now we go through the chemical reactions, balancing of the chemical reaction. How? Here is Na plus HCl, NaCl plus H. At the first I wrote on the board Na plus HCl and extends to NaCl plus H. But if we talk about the hydrogen evolved, there is the one molecule of hydrogen contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. That's why I wrote here the H2. So now what will happen then? Na single, HCl single, but here the molecule atoms of hydrogen become 2 and the product side. So I have to write balance the equation 2 Na, 2 HCl, 2 NaCl, 2 H, means both of the side, left side and right side, the number of atoms, number of molecules must be same. That is called the chemical equation and chemical balancing of the chemical equation. Now here is look at the fruit of the cashew nut. कैश्यू नट का फ्रूट दिया हुआ है, इसमें ऊपर एक ऑरेंज येलो कलर का फ्रूट होता है, उसके नीचे कैश्यू नट का जो है सीड है, जो कैश्यू नट जिसमें से काजू निकलता है, वो ग्रे कलर की एक कवर होती है, शेल होती है, हार्ड शेल होती है, ऑयली शेल होती है, उसके अंदर रहता है. और कैश्यू नट मैंने इसलिए बनाया क्योंकि यहाँ पे फर्मेंटेशन आया था, ग्रेप्स गेट फर्मेंटेड. ओके, व्हेन वी फर्मेंटेड द कैश्यू नट फ्रूट, it will also change in the alcohol. Or here is the x plus 5 as to explain the chemical equation and chemical expression. If I wrote the A plus B or Na plus HCl, that is called the chemical expression, just like the if we correlate with the mathematical expression x plus 5. And if I wrote the equal to 6 with the expression x plus 5, so it will become the equation x plus 5 equal to 6 equal to equation. So when we go through we correlate with the chemistry, so 2Na plus 2HCl equal to 2NaCl plus H2 is a chemical equation. Thank you very much.